Welcome back to Mooch Life. It's been a while. What is up, YouTube? It's been a long time. We are back on Mooch Life. Today's video is food related. Kind of a new thing we're gonna start trying out here on the channel is some food vlogs. We got the truck content, we got the car content, we got life content showing you Mrs. Mooch. We show you the dog going on vacation, going on different trips. But we're gonna expand a little bit on the channel here, and we're gonna go up to Cabelas near Cleveland, Ohio, and we're gonna purchase something if they have it that's going to allow us to do some epic food content on this channel. So let's hit the road and we'll see you when we get there. First stop, Dunkin' Donuts with the gift card because we cheap like that. Can I get a large hot with cream and 5 Splenda? Coffee, coffee, coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. What? What? Coffee, coffee. What? What? All for you. See how much I love you?
Yeah.
Are you paying for this?
I have my gift card.
Oh, yeah.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-680 North. Continue on I-680 North for 5 miles.
Take a sip for the camera. It's the world's greatest cup of coffee.
It's too hot.
You're too hot. Ooh. Pretty gnarly truck. We got about 22 minutes left before we arrive at Cabelas in Cleveland, or just west of Cleveland. And we've never been there before. We usually go to the Cabelas down in Philadelphia, West Virginia. This one doesn't look on the internet as big or nice, but we wanted to just switch it up, do something a little bit different. So we're almost there. We'll see you in a minute, and we'll show you inside the store, and might as well show you a little bit of the Cleveland skyline up there as we're driving by. It's January 2021. The Cleveland Browns won their first playoff game against my beloved Steelers for the first time in many, many years. So it was kind of a bummer, but I'm actually rooting for Cleveland. They play the Chiefs this week, and we'll see if they can beat Patty Mahomes. Old Patty. And here we are, Cabelas, world's foremost outfitters. A lot smaller than the one in Philadelphia. We'll film some cool stuff inside, and then we'll show you our purchase. Hopefully they have what we want. All the playlists on my channel, we have truck stuff, car stuff, life stuff, and hunting stuff. Today's video will be the first in a new playlist on my channel, food stuff. So check it out. This will be the first video on it, but check out all my playlists if you want to. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. Hit the notification bell if you want to. All that good stuff so you can stay up to date with my channel. Me, Tootie, our dog, life adventures, car, truck, Chevrolet, all that good stuff. So we're gonna head in the store now, pick up our cool product, let her go on a little shopping spree because she loves this store too. And we'll show you what we get when we're done, and what this channel is going to have to offer once we get our cool little item in there. So stay tuned. Cabelas coffee mug. Let's go. Yeah, you should get a buggy. Buggy it up. shopping spree. Look at the chandeliers. Sale, sale, sale. Girl stuff, girl stuff. It's over there. Pink Yetis. Check out these. That's nice. We'll show you the back wall there with all the animals. Yeah.
There's the animals.
Yep, pronghorn up there. I am in the center of Cabelas right as we speak. It's pretty awesome so far. Like I said, it's not as big as the Triadelphia, but check out the little mountain with all the cool animals. Go check it out. We got some fish. Look at the badger. The little badger. Is he cute? You want to take him home? Yep, there's a lynx. Bighorn sheep. Mountain lion. Big old mule deer. Look at that rack. He found something. Uh-oh, let's see. What's the first item in the buggy? Coffee. Medic coffee. Bass Pro Shops on the back.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, didn't even see that. We got the footwear section, there's fishing. Behind me here is the outdoor cooking section. One of these items is going home with me today so we can show you some epic, awesome cooking content right here on Mooch Life. So stay tuned, we'll reveal this thing in a minute. We're home. My end goes down. Right there is good. Just flip it up. And what we got, dun, 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 is the Master Built Adventure Series MES 140S electric smoker. It's time to get our meat on. We're gonna freaking smoke till we choke right here on Mooch Life. New playlist, food stuff coming at you soon. Stay tuned for the next vlog on this playlist. We'll be doing our first food adventure. We're gonna unbox it and put it together, and you're coming along. And then after that, we'll start cooking some stuff. If you like this vlog, if you want to get into the food stuff with me, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you want. Hope you enjoy, and peace out.